close off the innings. Sandeep Lamichhane, lot rests on him. If he can play shots like that, score of about 140 is not out of reach. What a shot. Siddhartha Bank 6, crossing ropes, creating hopes. Yeah, terrific shot that. He can strike a ball, Lamichhane. Chris Soul plays to Scotland, can clock up to 145. At his turn with the bat now.
What's a safe score, Sri, on this surface, with the spinners creating havoc in the middle?
Got about 16 balls left. If they can get 25 runs, 30 runs from here, can they get to 140? Be a fighting score. Nowhere near where Lamichhane mentioned. Beautiful sight. The brilliant cricket ground is one of the most picturesque I've ever come to, I must admit. My first time to Nepal, and it's only been 2 days. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. The food at the hotel is outstanding. The hospitality is excellent.
Oh yes, Nepal's warm and welcoming people as well. Yeah, he's giving everything at it, and he finds the field at covers. This time Lamichhane is unsuccessful in clearing the infield. Kishore strikes in his second spell. Another wicket falls here for Biratnagar Kings. They're 8 down.
A good delivery. Followed Lamichhane. Lamichhane was trying to create room, and his brief stay comes to an end. Tried to go over the offside, sliced it. Good, comfortable catch for the fielder. The first wicket for pace in this innings. Kishore strikes. Lamichhane goes 8 down now. 112 for 8.
What an effort here by Janakpur bowls. What a response by the bowlers after electing to field first. Look at that for a delivery, cleaned up. Another wicket, he's on a hat-trick as well. Kishore is turning it on in the middle. And Janakpur bowls are just landing blows in the middle.
Yeah, this has been some sort of collapse after Martin Guptill's wicket. 96 for 4, 112 for 9. Kishore is turning it on. Terrific Yorker. Jitendra Mukhia, no idea. Went through bat and pad. If you miss, I hit. Terrific bowling from Kishore. The coach is happy. The dugout's happy. They're digging themselves into a hole here, the Biratnagar Kings. 112 for 9. Jitendra Mukhia, the latest victim, gone for naught.